Welcome to our What's Your Function project. Our group's name is Cool. The purpose of our project is to understand how we can explain a real-life situation using a function, aka the relationship between inputs and outputs. Here is our situation. Unja wants to see how fast she can climb stairs. For warm-up, she goes up 5 steps and comes down 5 steps for a total of 10 steps. She goes up a building that has an infinite amount of steps. She can climb 3 steps per second. If Unja wants to continue running up the same rate for a few seconds, how many steps did she climb? Question 1. What's constant or not changing? The amount of steps for warm-up is not changing. Question 2. What can change? The amount of seconds she runs up can change. So our input is the amount of seconds she runs up, and our output is the total amount of steps she climbed. Now that we know our input and output, we can describe our situation with a function. Our function is number of steps equals 3 steps per second times the number of seconds plus 10 steps. So, using variables, our function would be fs equals 3s plus 10. In conclusion, our function accurately describes our situation because it relates one input to only one output. Here is a quick example. If we use 58 as the input, then we'll only get one answer. So that would mean that NJ climbed up 174 steps in total. So, according to our domain and range diagram here, if we put 6 as the input, we will get 18 as the output. And 9,000 as the input would result in 27,000 as the output. And 47 as the input would be 141 as the output. Thank you for listening to our code project. I hope you enjoyed it, and good night.